Good morning, students. Today, just put a glance of your eyes on the recapitulation of the previous chapter, My Body. Yes, of course, revision makes us perfect and doubt clear. It is benefited for all and especially for those who has joined yet now. You better understand the parts of body, their function. There are so many parts of body and each part has its own function and each part with its own function associated with each other. If any of the parts failed, then their function will be disturbed. Now, the first function, our body is a wonderful machine. Yes, a machine cannot work alone. It has so many parts associated to make it run. In this way, our body has two made up of several parts and each part has its own function. If any parts get damaged and the whole body suffers from that, so you should have to keep your organs safe. Now, second point, repair itself. Yes, our body has capacity to repair itself. When it would get hurt, our body repair the particular parts. Suppose if you have cut in your finger, suppose if you have surgery in any part of your body, then after proper medication, it gets repaired. It is the property of our body that it gets repaired with itself. Now, there is a point, growth. Yes, our body has capacity of growth also with proper diet, with proper nutrition, healthy nutrition. Our body grows its bones, its muscles, its sizes increases with that growth. Now, come to the point, parts of body. You have already learnt when you were in standard 3 or 4, parts of body or these parts of bodies called organs. Okay, then there is a word that is external organs. Are you watching something? The picture and the parts that you can easily see from outside, that is called external organs. External organs. Now, which parts comes in external organ? First, we try to understand. First, the head part. What is the function of head part? The head keeps brain inside it. Okay, so head protects our brain. Okay, now eyes. Eyes helps us to see the distant object. Ear helps us in hearing. Neck helps in movement. Shoulder, it carries the heavy weight of our body. Chest. Now arm. Now elbow is a movable part of our hand. Elbow. Fingers. What is the use of fingers? In writing or what? In painting. This is the use of our fingers. Now, knee is a movable part of our leg. Foot, toes, legs, heels. These all are together work in jumping, walking, swimming, riding, cycling, all this one. Thigh, hand. Hand helps in shaking, holding objects, writing. carrying bag, school bags, or more purpose. Stomach helps in digestion. Nose helps in smelling good or bad smell. Now, inside mouth is a tongue, and it has the property of tasting. It has taste buds on it and helps to taste the food. There is a one more most important, skin. This is a largest organ of our body. Skin is the largest organ of our body. So these organs you can able to see from outside, so that these organs we called external organs. And you have already learned there are 5 sense organs like eyes, ear, nose, tongue and skin. These are the 5 sense organs. These sense organs also comes under external organ. Now, the next, there is a picture of different organs. You are able to see that lung. What is the function of the lung? Lung, the air, the oxygen we take get into the lung, and lung purifies that oxygen and supply it to the whole body. This is the function of the lung. And function of the brain, it controls the whole body. It is the control center of whole body, that it receiving and sending messages to the other organs. Like you have holded your mobile cells or computer, you receive and send messages to your friends and teachers and so on. Like this, brain also receives and send messages to the other organs. That is receiving and sending messages. It received and sent messages to the other organs for the proper functioning of the whole body. Now the next part, stomach. Stomach helps in digestion. You already know that. Now kidney. Kidney helps in filtration, absorption, filtration of fluid, okay, and absorption of what? Food. Now intestine. What is the function of intestine? Intestine helps in digestion, absorption here occurs. Liver also helps in digestive process. It secretes bile juice, which helps in digestion of food, and it also filters our blood. Now these organs you are able to see: lungs, brain, stomach, kidney, intestine, liver, heart. These organs placed inside of our body, so that it is called internal organs. It is internal organs. These organs placed inside our body, so that this is called internal organ. So organs are divided into external organs and internal organs. Organs divided into 2 parts, that is internal organs and external organs. Now then there is a question, what is organs? Yes, organs is a group of tissue connected together, combined together to form organs. A group of tissue combined together to form organs, and organs divided into internal organs and external organs. Now, organs divided into internal organs and external organs. Organs is a group of tissue combined together to form organs. Now, after that, internal organ and external organ, you have already seen in picture. This is the internal organ: lung, brain, stomach, kidney, heart, liver, intestine. And in external organ, there are so many: head, eyes, ear, neck, shoulder, chest, arm, elbow, finger, knee, foot, toes, leg, thigh, hand, stomach, mouth, nose. These are the external organs. Now you are clear your doubt that which part comes under, which organs comes under internal organ and external organ. Now the next point is organ system. Organ system. Yes. Each organs, there are so many organs we have already learned in this class. So many organs have their own functions, okay, and together these organs perform organ system, okay. In organ system, suppose this is a lung part, okay, and here the process of respiration or breathing occur, okay. So that in organ system, so many systems join together to perform organ system. Then what is the purpose of this lung in organ system? Yes, the lungs performs which type of function? It is respiratory system. Respiratory system. In respiratory system, intake of oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide happen through which part? Lung part. Then lungs comes under respiratory system. Now, second, brain, which in brain also depends on the nervous system. Nervous system. Through nervous system, brains does its work through nervous system. Now, heart. In heart, which system controls? It is circulatory system. Here is the circulation of blood system. Here in circulatory system, circulation of bloods occur, pumping of pure blood and impure blood comes under this heart, and pure blood from here after purification supplied to the whole body. That this process of heart comes under circulatory system. Now next point is stomach. Yes, in stomach also there is a system called digestive system. You already learned that. Digestive system, have you heard the word? Very good, very well. Yes, digestive system, there is a process of digestion of food, breaking of larger food particles into smaller food particles, means complex food into simpler form. The process that happens by digestive system, through digestive system. Now there is a word kidney. Kidney which system controls? That is excretory system. Excretory system. Excretory system control kidney. Excretory system controls kidney. In this system, filtration of impure fluid. Okay. Filtration of impure fluid or waste material outside our body. That happens through kidney, and the process by which the kidney controls the process, that is excretory system. Now the next one, intestine and liver. Together we discussed about that intestine and liver together function as helps in digestion process. So it also works in digestive system. Intestine and liver works in digestive system. So these are the organ systems that control all the internal parts. Respiratory system, lungs, brain, which system? Nervous system, stomach is digestive system, kidney through excretory system, and last intestine and liver also depends on digestive system. These are the organ systems which controls our body. So organ system is a group of organs that worked together to perform various functions of our body. So organ system is a group of organs. Group of organs means whether the organs is external or internal, that worked together to perform various functions of our body. Now, then these organ systems, first respiratory system, second circulatory system, now excretory system. You have already learned excretory system. There is excretion of waste material from the body. Circulation, there is circulation of blood, pure blood supplied to the whole body after purification of blood in heart. Now respiratory system, there is what? It happens in respiratory system, happens in lung. There is also purification of air or pure oxygen supplied to the whole body after purification. Now fourth system is digestive system. You have digestive system. You have already learned digestive system. Digestion of complex food breakdown into simpler form. 5. It's nervous system. Nervous system controls brain, part of brain. Now 6th one is skeletal system. Skeletal system, yes, which organ is joined with this skeletal system? Bones, yes, and muscles. Okay, like these organs we have learned in these external or internal organs. One more system is skeletal system. In skeletal system, muscles and bones attach to it. In this system, to perform the function, muscles and bones, that is muscles and bones, you can able to see? No, it is an internal organs. So muscles and bones too is an internal organs. So it is controlled by skeletal system. So we have to study in this chapter skeletal system. Before that we have to learn respiratory system first. Okay, so now you are easy to understand organs. There is tissue. First one we have learnt Capada, tissue, then organs, then organ system. The three branches: tissue, organs and organ system. Organs is made up of tissue and organ systems made up of so many organs joined together to perform various functions of our body. Now let's move on from starting. First we learned in this my body what is the function of body. Function of body, we have learned body works like a machine. Second, our body has function, it repair itself. The wounded part, the injured part, it has the ability to repair itself. It has ability of growth by proper nutrition and proper diet in food. Now we learned organs and organ system. Organs are made up of collection of so many tissues joined together to form organ. A group of tissue form organ and group of organs form organ system. Now you have clear, and here we have studied external and internal organs. The parts of our body we have learnt in standard 3 or 4, that parts of our body is external organs, and in these external organs so many organs: head, eyes, ear, neck, shoulders, chest, arm, elbow, finger, knee, foot, toes, and here nose, mouth, tongue, stomach, hand, thighs, leg. And easily you can understand 5 sense organs. The 5 sense organs, that is eyes, ear, nose, tongue and skin, these sense organs comes under external organ, and skin is our largest organ. Now in internal organ we have studied so many organs with this picture. First, lungs, and what is the function of lungs? In purification of air inside it that we take in air, the oxygen purified here and gets applied to the whole body. Now brain, which is the controlling part of our body, it receives and sends messages to the whole part. Now stomach, here the digestion process occurs. Now kidney, here filtration of waste material occur, or discharge of fluid part happens. Now intestine and liver together also helps in digestion of food. Liver secretes bile juice and it also helps in digestion of fats also. Intestine also absorption of food here takes place. Now these are the internal organs, and one more internal organs we have learnt yet now, that is muscles and bones. Muscles and bones together is also an internal organs, and bones muscles also depend on which system? It depend on skeletal system. Skeletal system you have learnt, you will learn about muscles and bones. How many bones, functions of muscles, which type of bones here our body has made up of. Now